we're going to start with the first question. The first question says that we should multiply 3.4 times 10 raised to power minus 5 by 7.1 times 10 raised to power 8. So starting with the first question, we have 3.4 times 10 raised to power minus 8. Then we are multiplied by 7.1 times 10 raised to power 8. The first one is minus 5. So if you multiply this one, we have this time this will give me 4, 3. Then multiply this one, we have 7 times 4 is 28, carry 2. 7 times 3, 21, plus 2. That will give me 23. So we have 4, 11, right 1, carry 1, 4, 2. Then we have two digits after decimal point here. So we count 1, 2, put the decimal point here, times 10 raised to power. According to the rule of multiplication of indices, it will be minus 5 plus 8. So from here we have 24.14 times 10 raised to power 3. But this one is not in standard form yet. So if you move the decimal point here so that it will be in standard form, we have 2.414 times 10 raised to power. By moving it here, the power here will increase by 1. So we have 10 raised to power 4. That's for that number 1. Then number 2, we have P equal to set of P showing that 1 is less than P and P is less than 20. And P is an integer. So if P is an integer, it means that the value of P will be from 1 to 20. So, but we not include 1 and 20 because according to what you have here, 1 is less than P and P is less than 20. So it will be from 2, 3, 4, and so on up to 19. Then we have another set R. R is such that 0 is less than or equal to R, while R is less than or equal to 25, where R is a multiple of 4. So it means that we are going to write the multiple of 4 between 0 and 25. So since it is between 0 and 25, the least multiple of 4 between 0 and 25 start from 4, which is 4 times 1, then 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, that is 12, 4 times 4, 16, 4 times 5, 20, 4 times 6, 24. So these are the multiple of 4 between 0 and 25. Then the intersection of P and R means what P and R have in common. So we have 4, 8, 12, 16. So these are the common number between P and R. So we can now move to number 3. Number 3, the first term of an AP is 2. The first term of an AP, we use A to represent it, which is equal to 2. So when you are solving a question like this, you write down the parameters. Then the last term is 29. If the common difference, D, is equal to 3, how many terms are in the AP? So we are looking for number of 10. And normally, the n term of an AP is equal to A plus n minus 1D. And since they said the last time is equal to 29, so we can replace the n time with the last time. 29 equal to, we replace A with 2. We are looking for n. Then we replace D with 3. So if you take this one out, you have 29 minus 2 equal to n minus 1 times 3. So this will give me 27 equal to 3 times n minus 1. If you divide both sides by 3, we have 3 here, 1, 3 here, we have 9. So we have 9 equal to n minus 1. From here, bringing this one out, we have 9 plus 1 equal to n. Therefore, n equal to 10. So that's for number 3. Number 4, The question said that we should express this logarithm in index form. Since they are having the same base, you can take the common logarithm to base A. Then you, instead of plus, you multiply the two numbers, x times y, which will give me xy equal to 3. So in index form, the number xy will be equal to a raised power 3 because this base will come here and take this one as the power. Because the logarithm of a number to the base is equal to the power to which the base is raised. Then number 5. Number 5, we are asked to simplify this. This is difference of two square. It's like having x square minus y square. And if you factorize this, you pick what you have under the square, x minus y times x plus y. So if you use the same knowledge to solve this question, we have what you have under the square, 2p minus q minus p minus q. Then we open another bracket, 2p minus q plus p minus q. Then close the bracket. So from here, we are going to have 2p minus q. Open this bracket, you have minus p plus q. Then the second one, 2p minus q plus p minus q. So from here, collect the like terms, you have 2p minus p, then minus q plus q will cancel out, times here also we have 2p plus p, but minus q will not cancel out. That will give us minus q minus q. So from here we have p times this will give me 3p minus 2q. So when you open the bracket, you have 3p squared minus 3 minus 2pq. So that is it.